providing a dedicated and reliable service aimed at keeping you informed and up to date. This is Pilipinas Prime.
Magpapatayo ng mga outlet ang PCSO. How many outlets are we talking about? Attorney Lauro Patiag, General Manager, Branch Operations Sector, PCSO. Attorney?
With your permission, you're look into the
Yes, sir.
exact number is around 6,000 plus.
6,000.
Yeah.
Kailan po mag-umpisa yun?
The current lot of operations are ongoing. This
So-
is under the
6,000 new
terminals.
terminals. So bagong mga ano to, franchisee ba ang tawag niyan? O not operate?
Agents, Your Honor.
Okay, so 6,000 new agents.
That's correct, Mr. Chair.
Nung last hearing, may lumapit sa akin na mga dating Lotto agents na pinasara ninyo. So bakit hindi nang bigyan niyo priority? Yung 2,000. Kaysa naman mag-hire kayo ng mga bagong agents. Bago kayo magbigay, bago niyo yung 6,000 na yan, bago niyo ibigay sa mga bagong agents, gusto ko unahin niyo yung 2,000 na sinibak niyo.
Yes, Mr. Chair. To be exact on the figures, Mr. Chair, 6,097. And I understand these agents are the former agents who were operating under the old system, the legacy.
They are the former agents.
Yes po.
Andito ba yung mga former agents? National, kaya po, si Polay, Philippine Online Lottery Agents Association Incorporated. Kayo po yan, Ma'am Evelyn? Kayo ba yun?
Mr. Chair, to my understanding, there are existing 6,097 Lotto agents now compared to the 6,500 na dapat po nagkaroon. Tapos yung 2,000 po na supposedly meron silang bagong machine. Hindi po sila nabigyan ng mga machine kasi wala pong machine. I guess that is what Attorney Patiag is saying na existing pa po. Yun po yung mga dati ng mga Lotto agents, yung 6,097. I don't know, I heard na magbubukas po sila ng mga ibang outlets pa, pero I mean, that has to be confirmed pa po.
Yun nga
ng
po,
PCSO.
magbubukas kayo ng mga bagong outlets. Tama, Attorney Patiag?
Yes, Mr. Chair. As
Yeah.
per our records, there will be additional 273 new machines or agents to be opened.
273.
273.
Sabi niyo po, 6,000. Ano yun, yung present?
Yeah po, in 6,097 are the present agents.
Okay. So doon sa 297 new outlets to be opened, magkakaroon yung mga bagong machines yun.
Yes, that's correct, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So ang gusto ko, yung sa 297, lahat yan ibibigay doon sa mga dating agents ng PCSO na nawala ng trabaho.
I understand that's
Natatanggal.
the practice, Mr. Chair. We are actually informing those agents who were previously, whose agencies were terminated, and they are the priority.
Ma'am Evelyn?
Mr. Chair, the Lotto agents in Mindanao, Vismin and Mindanao, has been requesting me to relay message to them that they have approached their branch manager in asking as to when they're going to have their machines because they're still holding on, no? Kasi ayaw pa po nila, gusto talaga nila magbukas pa. Pero yung mga branch managers po yata, they were not informed na talaga pong magkakaroon din sila ng machine and they don't like to accept. Pinag-a-apply po sila ng bagong parang application po and pababayarin po sila ng 2,500 ulit para parang bagong application po yung gagawin sa kanila. So they're hoping kasi po dun sa previous conversation po natin or previous committee hearing natin last February na you were requesting po na sana makipagtulungan po with the former chair Junie Kua and the PGNC with the machine, pero nakipag-coordinate naman po kami pero hindi nga lang po na-actionan.